Hey people, so we are headed to China Bistro for a birthday treat. And yesterday my son and me went walking in practically, it was like it had begun to like slightly drizzle, but we had to go and get this little charger because basically here when you have rabbits you need to get copper coated chargers, so that's the thing. And hopefully this week, let's see, maybe there's a surprise coming up, like in terms of you all must be bored of me recording videos sitting in one place with that young man also in the background, and so maybe I might have a change of location. And
My
this
mom
guy is,
is mean
why am I mean?
because you're making me do a disgusting thing.
What disgusting thing?
Make me do oil pulling with the worst oil.
Oil pulling with the worst oil. So my
Taste
son, but he finally didn't do any oil pulling. So anyway, we need
because
to
it
rush.
tastes bad.
Yeah, it does. So actually, that's what I also just forced myself to do it because thing. But yeah, we'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for
Don't
watching
subscribe
and
and
please
dislike.
subscribe.